I wanted to expand my thoughts on actually the Fidelity and basically the ETFs. Is it going to be a big change, or are we going to be seeing these ETFs being just a buy the rumor, sell the news? So basically not doing anything in that sense, because a lot of people are saying these ETFs might not even change Bitcoin's price that much. Like everyone is expecting so much hype. I feel like it's already priced in, if you ask me. It's already like whales buying and selling it. So they might have bought it just before the announcement. What's happening? I'm your host, Coin Central. And if you want to be kept up to date with more crypto content, be sure to smash that like button. But right now, the biggest problem is these ETFs. We don't even know if they're going to be delayed, if they're going to be coming next week, next month, next year. So,
everybody, welcome back to the channel. 2Bit Crypto here. Now, today is the day. Are we going to get an ETF launch or not? Is it all just speculation, or is there some truth into?
And it's important to note, I think he skipped out on the fact that there's multiple ETFs. There's not one ETF when people talk about it. There's multiple of these big institutions listing ETFs. So what exactly are ETFs? It's basically on the stock buying crypto. So anyone who's in the stock market will be able to buy crypto, which is going to be absolutely insane at that point. It's going to be absolutely abnormal to see the prices go up like that. And that's what I'm really, really excited for. But if you guys are excited as well, you know where the like button is. I am definitely very excited to see crypto rising up in that sense, seeing more opportunities like that. So there is going to be probably tons and tons of opportunities for people in crypto in the long run.
What people are talking about. Well, let's take a look at exactly what is on the cards. And ultimately, are we going to get it today? What's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin? All of that in this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on in the cryptocurrency space, and smash that like button. It does help out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a look at exactly where the market is right now. So 1.66 trillion. We actually did get a sell-off about midnight for me. That's the Asian markets opening back up, and a lot was sold. Bitcoin was on a pretty big rally, broke 44, but has subsequently pulled back. 43.
So that's pretty good. Yeah, while Bitcoin is a bit unstable right now because people are still kind of sleeping on it. Lots of noise sticking to this. I'm not expecting official or approval. Still expecting them January 8 to 10. And the SEC just had a final meeting with all the crypto holders, which is absolutely huge. It's what we were waiting for some time, actually. And here we have it. The biggest using crypto today is probably going to be much bigger than most people expect in that sense. Everyone has been waiting for some crypto content in the near term, in the long term, and that's what we're going to be getting. So, guys, I am definitely excited. I do think the crypto ETFs, they are coming. They are inbound. I don't think they're fading away in any sense. But the biggest problem I see with crypto right now is there's no one really too sure if they're going to be long-term, short-term, if they're going to be here before or after. So that's something I'm concerned about. Like what's going to happen with the next following updates. I am definitely very hopeful we could be seeing more of that. So that being said, if you guys also like more content like this, you know what to do. Smash that like button, and I will keep you guys updated.
The 10th. Collaborator Tenet's words, Zephyr commented, my view is in line with Eleanor Terrett's reporting, repeating that the regulators would begin signaling ETF approvals only by next week. He added that the gap between approval orders and trading would be counted in weeks and not in days. What's interesting, though, is everybody seems to think on crypto Twitter that we are going to see these launches to the point where there was...
So, yeah, I don't know if we're even going to see these. I feel like the big institutions, they do know because they have some market access or something. But we, as holders, we don't really have that information. And if we did, if someone did, 100% guaranteed, he would probably do two things. He would either open a short position on Bitcoin or open a long position on Bitcoin, saying basically Bitcoin is going to increase in value. And right now, it's a huge issue that people don't realize that crypto is really here to stay. And what I'm worried is people will not be certain. Like, people will most likely sell it off as soon as the listing happens to the new holders from the ETFs. But nobody knows for sure. Everyone is just speculating if these ETFs will even arrive. On the info we have provided, on the info that might have happened, on all the meetings we got, on all the forums, on all the regulations, on all the lawyer opinions. So in the long-term sense, something will happen, but I don't know if it's going to happen in January, because January is also the point where the markets are usually at its lowest. They don't grow that much as we expected, but this doesn't mean it's over for that. I definitely do see potential in the crypto long-term sense. The issue is, will crypto survive the next bear market, which is probably going to be happening after the ETFs, after the whales sold? Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Till next time, peace, everyone.